I can't breathe.
Oh God! What the fuck happened? Why did he say it?
I'm fucking crying, man.
Dude, there was a solid 30 seconds of me laughing without making noise.